Antigua.
Antigua.
I say the Spanish pronunciation.
But
The original Christopher Columbus.
It's pronounced Antigua.
Christopher Columbus was the first European to land in Antigua in 1493. He named the island Antigua in reference to the Seville Cathedral. When the English took over the island and Antigua gained its independence, they kept the pronunciation Antigua, which was given to them by the English during their reign.
Antigua is 108 square miles, while Barbuda is just 62 square miles. And Antigua is about 18 miles east to west, and then another 15 miles north to south. The highest point on the island is located on the south side. That's where our national mountain, Buggy Peak, is located, and that is also where our rainforest is located. That's the area where there's a lot of rich vegetation, cane fields, mango trees, pineapple fields, and sugarcane fields.
Because of the many sugar plantations in Antigua, slavery was a big part of its history. In the early 1700s, there was a rebellion of slaves against their owners, but the owners discovered the plot and suppressed the rebellion before it could get started. Slavery was abolished in 1834.
And between the two islands, we have a population of approximately 100,000 people.
We had a lot of fun checking out one of the beaches when we were in Antigua.
Also, between the two islands, we have a total of 365 beaches. That means that there's one beach for every day of the year.
Antigua has some of the most pristine beaches in the world. We definitely recommend spending some time on one of the beaches in Antigua. We went to a beach,
Fort James
Beach. It was pretty well developed. There were some pavilions, there were a lot of lawn chairs and umbrellas. It was a long beach with soft white sand. Perfect one to swim in. There weren't very many big waves, so it was really easy for anybody in the family who wanted to enjoy the water.
While we were in Antigua, we did some shopping. It was actually one of the coolest shopping experiences. If you're going to Antigua, that's definitely a place to go shopping because they just have rows and rows and rows of locals sharing their goods. And so you just go through these extremely crowded alleyways searching for your souvenirs.
Shopping.
We got some stuff. We're here in Antigua.
Still gonna call it Antigua.